A virtual twin of the Large Hadron Collider support structure is essential to the successful consideration of the multi-physics phenomenon governing support structure performance required in research into high-energy particle physics. CERN, European Organization for Nuclear Research, is the international scientific organization established for the purpose of collaborative research into high-energy particle physics. ATLAS is one of the four major experiments at the Large Hadron Collider at CERN. It is a general-purpose particle physics experiment run by an international collaboration. Interestingly, carbon fiber advanced composites provide the ideal material for both transparency to high-energy particles emitted in the experiments and excellent lightweight structural materials to support the particle detection sensors without distortions. Operating at cryogenic temperatures, the high-energy particle experiments also generate significant heat that must be dissipated by the carbon fiber structure. Therefore, a virtual twin of the Large Hadron Collider support structure is essential to the successful consideration of the multi-physics phenomenon governing support structure performance. Successful digital twins of multiple support structures have guided the design and validation of support systems for the Large Hadron Collider, ATLAS, and the Compact Muon Solenoid CMS. I believe you will agree that Dassault Systems and Purdue team have an exciting future ahead with the digital twin, the digital thread, and model-based engineering hosted in the 3D Experience platform, and our joint efforts will accelerate the fourth industrial revolution for the benefit of all society.